being here. I'm really happy to be here.
Someone louder, please.
My name is Sundar. I'm the president of Strategy at HCL. We are very happy to be working with SRFI. We've been working with since 2016, and we are very happy to look at some interesting programs that we have been doing in the past, but some interesting things that we are currently doing, which is why we are talking today along with you. One of the things that we are doing today, as we roll off as we speak, it's happening in the courts, is a doubles tournament. Doubles is an area where the Indian contingent has done very well in the past few years. And so we felt it's a good place for us to do a doubles tournament, and we hope to do it annually, slowly get us better and better in doubles and get more and more success as we move forward. So it's the first step, to my mind, in establishing India's supremacy in this area of doubles. It's very important. I think it's the first step. So I'm very excited about it. I see a lot of potential for it as we move forward. One more thing is that we're doing is, everybody, to my mind, knows that at the end of the day, top athletes, it's not about the skill, about the energy. It's ultimately about the mind. It's the mind. The difference between win and loss is just in the mind, or the capability, mental capability, in a sense, or mental approach of the athlete. So our hope is, how do we help buttress that, strengthen that, bolster that? That's something we want to do. That's why, again, we have a very interesting program that Cyrus, Ramchandran, myself, we all looked at it. There's great value if it works, if it's able to help the athletes perform 3% better in the mind game, they will jump 50 ranks. That's my guarantee. I think that's my view. So that's what we are trying to do. It's a very interesting program. I'm very excited because it's the first of its kind we are doing in the country. I don't think we've ever done that. And Cyrus, you can maybe correct that if I made a mistake in that. But I think we're one of the first programs. So that's the power of the program. The other programs, of course, doing more PSA tournament, which is absolutely necessary. Unless you do more tournaments, unless more international players play with you, we will not be able to get our players to the world standard. If today more than 40 players are the top, what I call top 200 or top 100 of Indian players, that's only because they started playing more and more with international players, which is part of the whole. The reason why we always wanted to do that, and I think now the time has come. We know that we've been able to do it much better. Actually, we have been able to find the right way to look at this, and so that's why I think doing more tournaments, PSA tournament specifically, is of great value to top level athletes, and hopefully will guarantee us medals. And hopefully, Mr. Ramchandran's words of that we will have a world champion will happen, and start from things like this, things like better mental, agility and fitness of the athlete, more exposure to tournaments, and more exposure to various games, not just the single player doubles. Thank you.
I think you have taken the words out of my mouth because you have said all that I wanted to say. But the fact remains that when we first got our bronze medal through Saurav Ghoshal many years ago, everybody laughed when we said that we get you a medal in the Asian Games. From there, we have developed from one event or two to now 5 events. And like I said earlier, in every event in the last Asian Games, we have got a medal. We've got 2 golds and 2 silvers and 1 bronze. So that has been our increase over a period of time. And now when I say we'll have a world champion, people still laugh at me, but I'm quite certain with the support of HCL, we will get a world champion over the next 10 years. So it's not difficult. All you have to do is make sure that the money that is given as sponsorship, the opportunities that are given to us by a sponsor like HCL are used for that particular purpose and not for anything else. So if anything is above and beyond what HCL gives it, we make do with what we have and what the government of India gives us, what this deity also gives us. And like he said, the key to all this is to have more foreign players coming and playing against our kids. It's so difficult for a player, boy or girl, to go to one particular event. The amount of money they have to spend, the amount of the cost that is involved in their participation is huge. So between HCL and SRFI, we devised a plan where we will have graded tournaments where foreigners come and play. You have what you call various prize money tournaments. We start from $1,000 all the way up to $100,000 for prize money. So we're doing those events also in India, so that the Indian players get accustomed to all this, to play in these events, which will make it look better for such a great experience for our Indian players who can't go abroad for tournaments. That is what we intend to do. And like I said, now we have 50 odd tournaments, out of which 10 tournaments are PSA. So we are doing individual events, then we'll go to doubles event, then we'll also go to mixed doubles event. That is the way forward. Then you will find your medals at the end of the day. Thank you.
Excited to be in collaboration with HCL, and we have really been growing from strength to strength over these last few years. Lots of new initiatives, our plans, so we are very positive that we will achieve our targets of getting a world champion.
Thank you.